Hey, this is RajivKumarLuv, the online life skills coach, welcoming you to this video. In this video, I want to share the best time management question you can ask yourself. We can do two things with time. On one hand, we can spend time, and on the other hand, we can invest time. So the best question you can ask yourself before doing any activity is this. But before I tell you the question, I want you to go and grab a piece of paper and pen because I want you to make a note of it. Go and get a pen and paper. So here's the question. The question is, before you do any activity, ask yourself, am I spending time or am I investing time? Let's take you are watching TV. So ask yourself, am I spending time or am I investing time? Or let's take you are on social media. Ask yourself, am I spending time or am I investing time? And let me tell you, the best judge is nobody but you. So if you feel you are spending time, you are spending time. And if you feel you are investing time, you are investing time. So if I'm watching too much TV, I'm actually spending time. Or if I am too much on social media, I am spending time. If I am chatting with friends, I am spending time. But if I read a book, I am investing time. Or I go for a walk, I am investing time. I exercise, I am investing time. When I try to contact new customers, I am investing time. When I'm doing a training program, I am investing time. So before doing anything or before doing any activity, it would be a very good idea to ask yourself, will I spend time or will I invest time? So if you invest time, it means you are on the right track, and if you are spending time, then you are wasting time and you are wasting life as well. So I hope you found the video useful. Yes, then please share it, like it, comment on it, and most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting cool videos like this. This is RajivKumarLuv, your friend, your personal coach and guide. I'll be back with yet another video because I love making videos for you. So thanks for watching this video. See you again in my next video. Until then, be happy, keep smiling and take care. Bye.